Alright, I figured I'd show this Android smart radio I got in my truck. Installed it in. Does a lot of cool things. It's got a backup camera, so if I put this truck in reverse, it pops up behind me, shows me behind really well. You know, I got there's some LED lights in the back of this truck, so that's what they look like. That's what it looks like with them off. But of course, when I put the LED lights up, it brights up everything up there, so it makes the picture a lot clearer. So that's what it would look like without the LED lights on. And you take it off, and it goes back to the home screen. It's got just various apps that you can do. So I can just switch to the apps. I can go to like, you know, this has a Google. If I wanted to go Google, this is Wi-Fi ready. So, you know, I could go there and search Google if I wanted to. Browser. So it's just like, you know, this is just basically like your smartphone. So, you know, this also has a navigation built into it, which is pretty cool. It came with it. The backup camera came with it, so show the map. That's what it looks like in the map. It's got 3D. It does search, you know, it searches everything. This has been really accurate since I got it. It came with the stereo. I really like it's all voice functioning. So, and then of course turn it off, hit the power button, exit. So there's that. But you know, it's got a bunch of different apps that you can do. If I want to go to YouTube, I can go to YouTube, play videos on YouTube. So if I wanted to, you know, I got this link to my account, so I can hit my videos. If I wanted to play, you know, something with my car that I had running. Let's see. Yeah, here's one. So we'll play it right there. It's a little bit loud. That's my Trans Am. But if I want to exit out, hit the pause, and then I drag down from the top, go back. It'll take me out of this, get out of YouTube. But it'll play all the videos from YouTube just like that on there. It also has, well, I went the wrong way. This radio basically will do any app that you want. If you want to, you know, put an app on there, you can. You just, like I say, it's just like your phone. You go to Play Store, to bring that up, download whatever you want. So, you know what I'm saying, and install it, and it'll work. It also came with let's see. Well, it came with its own music app, but I put this app on, and this is